I am currently short in Bitcoin and in Ethereum. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down. First, starting here in Bitcoin, currently in two positions, one a swing position, the other is an intraday position. I'll start here on the daily chart with the swing position. Currently, this is the daily candle, this is the current daily candle, and this is for Thursday. Here is Wednesday. This is Tuesday. Here is Monday. I take this position on Monday, the swing position, and this is based off of this previous price action on the previous two candles here. So this is the Saturday candle here. You can see the high of the Saturday candle, but the high of the Saturday, actually let's back up to Friday's candle. And I don't have that marked currently, but I'm going to mark that now. Back up just a little bit. Okay. Because I realize you're going to see on the 1 hour chart more of a full picture, so this will show it. So overall, seeing sell side delivery here on the daily chart on Bitcoin, seeing sell side, some consolidation, then another leg lower here, and then you get this wick of this daily candle here wicking through the low of the previous candle, but then closing inside of it here. When that happens, that triggers a long trade, which price delivers to the buy side. Then following that delivery to the buy side, price starts to put in lower highs. So there's this high here, which is Friday's high. And then you can see Saturday here, the high is lower than Friday's high. And then this is Saturday's high. And then you can see Sunday wick through Saturday's high and then close inside of Saturday's high. So again, showing another weak price action, or showing weak price action for another day. And then you can see here on Monday, Monday closes lower, or Monday never reaches the Sunday high. And then this is Tuesday, and then this is Wednesday. So you can see price action showing continuation here to the sell side on the daily chart. And then this position can be seen here on the 1 hour chart, where this price delivery here was to the buy side, and then this wick comes in, sweeps out this buy side liquidity here, and then I take an entry here on pullback, and then I've been in the position since then, and also taken intraday position. This is a loss, and the rest of them are wins. And then I have a position on currently, but let's cover this position in its entirety. So with this swing trade position, my entry is 78.26.3, stop loss 72.292.6, and take profit down here at 59.811.2, which is the swing low here, the current swing low here on the daily chart. Then my current position is based off of this price action. So having this previous day candle here close below here, I am anticipating for continued sell side delivery at least to the low of this previous candle, or yesterday's low. I would look for a price to reach here. So this is where my current trade is targeting. The sell side liquidity resting below yesterday's low. Here on the 1 hour chart, this is non-farm payroll price action with this 1 hour candle here. And then I took this position here after the New York PM session, where in this previous candle you get a sweep of this swing high here on the 1 hour chart, and then a body, or we get this sweep, and then a price action starts to close within the range here, and I took an order. I'll go up here on the 5-minute chart. You can see my entry here. So this is the price action here on the 5-minute chart, putting in higher high, higher low, higher high, a lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, higher high. So you're seeing structure shift to the buy side here and shift to the buy side here, and then a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high currently, and price currently consolidating here. So you can see price has shifted to the sell side and then shifted back to the buy side, and now seeming to shift back here to the sell side here on the 5-minute chart. Then if I zoom out on the 5-minute chart, you'll see my stop loss is here at the 68,350.1 level, entry 67,621.5, and take profit here at 65,683.5, which is the swing low here on the daily chart, or not the swing low, but yesterday's low here on the daily chart. And to see target here on the 1-hour chart, here you can see target, or my stop loss, is just above this swing high, and but just above the swing high here where I entered, and then targeting these relatively equal lows down here where you have these swing lows. That's a swing low here and a swing low here where this target is, which is equivalent to yesterday's low. Take a quick look on the 5-minute to see if the previous hourly candle has been traded through here. It has. So this has triggered a buy signal, but this could also be price breaking down and not being able to, or this already being pulled back in this leg, and now price is ready to deliver through this sell side liquidity here and this sell side liquidity here after pulling back here. Now over to Ethereum. See very similar price action here on the daily chart, but I just picked up trading Ethereum after dropping metals. So I'm late to the swing trade, but on time for some intraday positions. Starting here on the daily, sell side delivery here, you get the same sweep price action, and then you're getting these new lows put in. You get the same Sunday sweep here, and then you're seeking price here, just stair stepping down here lower on the daily chart. So downtrend, seeing some consolidation here, and now price returning to the sell side here on Ethereum. And then on the hourly chart, this is the non-farm payroll price action here in this hourly candle. And you can see since then price delivered to the sell side, redelivered here to the buy side, and now has consolidating here within this range. I took a short position after price here closes above this swing high and then closes back below the swing high. So I was able to take an entry here in this following candle. See price has pulled back since then and now consolidating here within this range, targeting yesterday's low here, which is this candle, targeting this low here on the daily chart. And then here on the 5-minute chart, I'll walk you through this trade idea. So you can see price start to deliver here to the buy side, but again a lower high, higher high, or lower low. Actually, let's back up here. You see this price action, the sell side delivery, and then putting in a high, a higher low, a lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, consolidating here, and then a higher high, lower low, and now a lower high, putting in a low, and then a lower high, and now potentially consolidating or putting in a lower low here. come over to see if the 1 hour candle has been traded through, and it has not. So price is still currently consolidating here within this range of the previous hour's candle here. So where these blue lines are, so price consolidating in this range. So I would look for a price to either sweep the high, previous hourly high, and then continue to the sell side, or just show continued sell side delivery here. But profit target, as I mentioned here on the daily, profit target is the sell side liquidity resting below yesterday's low here. And then here on the hourly chart, here you can see my stop loss is above this swing high here, and then my profit target is down here at these near equal lows. And then you can see my entry here on the 5-minute chart. So took an entry here at the change in the state of delivery level, and then price delivered to the sell side has now pulled back, and then it pulled back into this bearish fair value gap here, tested this gap, traded into this area as well, but has held and started to redeliver here to the sell side, putting in a 5-minute market structure shift here. And now potentially redelivering here to the sell side. So we'll see how price behaves, but currently price just consolidating here within the range of the previous 1 hour candle. And you can see here, same thing on the 5-minute. Stop loss 1,988.72, entry 1,952.3, take profit 1,899.98. And for trading history for today, you can see these are the only two positions that I have. First one in Bitcoin, second one here in Ethereum. Entry here at 1615 and entry here at 1705. 0.024 on BTC and 0.48 on ETH, and we'll see how these positions play out here as the Asian session, or at least the Asian kill zone, is coming towards an end here. Less than, or about 46 minutes remaining in the kill zone. So we'll see how the remaining Asian kill zone plays out, and the Asian session trading into the London session. And if all goes well, price will deliver to target on both of these positions. But if you would like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional. We'll see you next time.